The Marina Del Rey Hospital HealthCast, featuring the doctors of Marina Del Rey Hospital.
Dr. Dubin, real quick before we get back to the calls, explain real briefly what is a fibroid? What is that? What is that women come to see you? For those who don't know, what is that condition?
Well, a fibroid is a growth in the smooth muscle wall of the uterus. The uterus is made up of smooth muscle fibers, and one of those cells starts to grow and proliferate and forms concentric circles of smooth muscles.
Okay.
So it forms a pseudotumor, a space-occupying mass like a baseball or tennis ball size.
So it is a tumor, or looks like a tumor.
It looks like a tumor, but it's a benign tumor and is made of your own tissue and forms we call it a pseudotumor because it's native tissue, so it's not really a disease that's going to spread or become malignant, but it occupies space. So that can disrupt the mechanisms of bleeding. It can cause pressure because you have then a large mass in your abdomen that puts pressure on your bladder or your colon, and that creates symptoms.
Is that a pretty common problem that you see, a fibroid?
Yeah, fibroids are very, very common. It's estimated that about 40% of women, by the time they're 40, will have some type of fibroid tumors. So it's extremely common. Now, the interesting thing is most of the time they're silent. They don't cause any symptoms. So like I was mentioning before, location is everything. You know, if you have a fibroid that's 4 centimeters or 3 centimeters that's located outside of the uterus, protruding from the outside wall, it's very unlikely to cause symptoms. However, if you have one in the center of the uterus, it's very likely to cause bleeding problems. So you have to really individualize your therapy and individualize what the patient's goals are in deciding what type of approach to take.
The Marina Del Rey Hospital HealthCasts, featuring the doctors of Marina Del Rey Hospital. For more information on any of the topics discussed or to schedule a consultation, please call the Marina Del Rey Hospital helpline at 844-MISI-4U or go to marinahospital.com.